a bit of stuff, and I'm going to list that in the video. So come along with us and let's get a video shot today. Well, we got the Skyrover drone, getting it out. Got my remote ID, which I'm going to turn on now. One of the reasons I love this is because it has, as soon as I get it going, has a strobe, and they say that actually will help keep the birds off and keep them from messing with your drone. I don't know, but pretty sure, well, I'm hoping that it works. So set the drone right over here. Get the app up and going. First thing I want to do is close out any programs it's running. Sorry about the truck. I'm doing a lot of construction here, and that's what I'm here to do, is kind of document the construction. First off, I'm going to check to make sure we can see. Turn the display up as high as it'll go. Right here you can see, and at my location it says clear airspace, let's fly. So we're going to go ahead and send the drone up, get her connected. Drone's ready. I'm connecting. Okay, it's connected. And we're going to shoot some video first, is what I want to do. And then I'm going to try to get some shots and try to make sure that I'm getting it from the same location every time, because what I want to do is kind of do a lapse where, you know, you see what they've got done, and then a week later see what else they've got done. So that's what we're going to do.
Take off.
There goes the drone. So we're going to go up to about 100 feet, and then I'm going to tilt the camera down, and I'm going to go ahead and set my camera to record this, so my phone to record this, if I can get it to. Alright, so I should be recording. I hope I got that set. Got good. I got 23 satellites so far, and I'm going to set it for camera mode. And one thing I like to do is go to AEB and do a 3-shot series, and because with this 3-shot series I can do high definition, or high dynamic range, I'm sorry, high dynamic range. So we'll get some photos here. I'm gonna back up. Get some altitude so I don't have to worry about anything. And what I love about the Skyrover drones, best drone on the market as far as I'm concerned. I'm gonna go up to about 200 feet. Try to get kind of like a wide shot. Show you everything that's here at Lorino Park. They have baseball softball. They've also got a skateboard park that I think is really cool. And I got plenty of battery. Looks like they got an off-road BMX. I think that's correct. You can put in the comments if I'm wrong on that. So let me go ahead, and now I'm gonna fly it out a little bit further, and I'm gonna do a straight down shot. I'm gonna go ahead and climb to about 350 feet. Okay, now I'm gonna turn around and get one more shot of everything, the property. Let's back on up a little bit farther. All right, now I'm going to switch over to video. We're going to do a long shot of video. It's a pretty good sized place here. I'll let you know how many acres it is. I don't want to say right now, because if I do, I'll probably be stating the wrong thing, but they're going to be making some places here for pickleball. And I got Morristown Utilities look like interested in what I'm doing. Now, I'm going to include in a video and get on their website and figure out exactly everything that they have. So people know. I just love this drone. It is so smooth. This is the X1. The S1 has forward object avoidance, but the X1 has 360 degree. I just think it's so cool. Tilting the camera down because I don't want to get over vehicles, especially moving vehicles. And now, and so I'll turn around, come back this way. And you can see the real work that's going on here. And that's basically all I'm going to shoot here. You can see my vehicle. And I want to show you this about the X1 and why I love it so much. So I'm going to turn this off. I'm done. It has different modes that you can for the strobe, and I just got it velcroed on there. And you see these little strobe lights. When you cut these off, you click and then click and hold these are going to turn red. When they turn red, that means it's shutting down, and now it's off. So now I can fold it up and head over to my next destination. I just put these blades up in here, and same thing with this. Just be careful when you're doing this. Some people have a problem. These are the antennas, and some people's had these to fall off. When I first got this drone, that actually happened to me. I tried to land it on my Jeep here on the hood. It slid off, fell on the ground, that popped right off. And so a lot of people are talking about how easy that happens. Well, it happened to me. I just stuck it right back on there, and I've not had another issue since I've done that. Anytime I'm done, I've got this little soft, well, I said I did. What did I do with it? Here it is. A little hair tie, but it's real soft, and it's made out of cloth. And I use it to protect my blades and stuff. And always put your guard on. And that guard, it's easy to tell. It's got two little knobs here. It goes over these cameras, and it just snaps, and you're done. And then it's safe. Now you can put it up. And I'll show you my little setup here. I actually got an iPad, but I ran off from the house. This is my iPad that I've got for it. Man, it's great. It's actually brighter than my iPhone 17 Pro Max. But I forgot the mount for it, so the mount's at the house. How many ever done that before? So I'm going to just stick it in here, but I'm going to show you real quick my setup. This is my setup. Just stick it right down in there. I got my extra cable in here if I need it. Here's my little Hero camera. I love this. This is what I'm going to start using to record myself as I'm flying. That way I've got documentation while I'm flying, and it's a better experience. So this is my little setup, and let me turn this down. I'll show you how it goes in there too. So let me stick that right there. Just take this out, and now let me get, it just goes right down in there. This camera goes right down. This is a battery pack for my Hero, and so I can actually charge 3 batteries at a time, and it actually gives me a reading too, if I need a reading on how well my batteries are doing. And so it's showing that I've got one battery at 100% and one at 62%, and the other one's, the slot is empty. So I don't know how many people have this, excuse me, but this is actually a great thing. And it slides right down in here too, and uses a USB to charge it. So Franklin Lorino Park is a large 142-acre recreational park in Morristown. It features extensive sports facilities like baseball, softball, soccer, football field, plus tennis courts, a skate park, and a BMX track. It also offers amenities such as playgrounds, pavilions, disc golf, horseshoe pits, and a trail for walking and hiking, making it a versatile destination for sports, events, outdoor activities, and recent upgrades adding a pickleball courts and improved parking. So that's what all that construction is for. It's really this, from what I'm reading here, it's a $3.4 million upgrade project, adding 9-court pickleball complex, also for tennis, and converting 2 of the football fields into 1 regular-sized field. So that's what I got so far for Lorino Park. Stay tuned for more videos showing how much progress they're getting done. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate it if you would subscribe and give it a big fat thumbs up, because that really helps and it costs nothing. So thank you for watching, and I really appreciate it.